So guys, now I'm going to be running you through Myfitnesspal. Now, Myfitnesspal is what's going to be tracking your calories throughout the challenge. Now, as we've already been over, it's really important that we're tracking our data. If you're just aimlessly hoping that you're abiding by a calorie deficit in order to lose the weight, you're not actually aware of what you need to be doing and what you're actually consuming. Now, when we've got data, you can learn, you can reflect, you can plan. So Myfitnesspal is the best tool in order to track how many calories a day you will be eating. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to come onto the myfitnesspal.com. This is the desktop version. I highly recommend getting the app on your phone. It's a lot more user-friendly. It's easier to scan barcodes and enter your food on the go. So do this through the app. Make sure that it's on your phone. You can then connect that with your Trainerize app, which I'll be showing you how to do during this video. So anyway, I'm going to be showing you the desktop version, but what we're going to do, we're just going to sign up here. And so just type in the email address that you want to use. I'll type in this one and come up with a password. I'm in the wrong area, I believe. Let's go to sign up. Just type that in for now. And then click on continue. Now, this is a free account. You only need the free account. There's going to be lots of opportunities to upgrade to the premium. You get more information, more data. But as I've said, we're trying to keep things really simple here. Don't complicate things. It's just a matter of getting a calorie deficit every single day. So we're going to be losing weight regularly. And just run through these details here. You can change the units if you wish. I'm a kilograms type of guy, but if you like pounds and stones, then go for it. And just start entering your data here. I'm just going to make up a weight, say 65. Do put in what you actually want as your goal weight, what you've put as your goals yesterday. Because what that will do is that's going to help calculate how many calories a day you should be having. Just keep running through all these details. Let's see if that username works. In fact, I'll add a couple of numbers on there in case there's another Coach Russ Thornton out there stealing my thunder. Put in how active you are. Say I'm pretty active. How many times a week you plan on exercising? Okay, now this question's important. Okay, so it's not how many you're doing at the moment, but how much you plan on doing. We are going to be working out 7 times a week. However, 3 of them are going to be high intensity. The rest of them are going to be low intensity exercises, just to help your body recover. So stick in 3 in that box. Okay, then you'll get a more accurate calorie. And we're going to be working out for 20 minutes per workout. Okay, so stick that in there. We want to track calories, not kilojoules. And you're just going to put how much weight you want to lose per week. This goes up to 2 pounds, 1 kilogram per week, as that is a healthy weight loss. And then you can read the terms, but if not, just click the tick there and then go to sign up. Cool. Accept all those data. Yeah, why not send me offers? But I'm not going to refer friends. So just keep moving through. So here is a quick run through of the calories that I've done just through the data that I've wanted to do. So it'll give me a net calories per day of 1,580. Now, we've got a little macro split here. We're not fussed too much about that. We do want to keep our protein up as high as possible, as that's going to help our muscles recover. But we're keeping it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Let's just look at this figure here. Okay. and then the calories burnt there. And then there's a projected loss that I'd lose 5 kilograms by August the 8th if I was to stick with this amount of calories and then burning throughout the week there. We're probably going to be burning more calories than this because our workouts are intense, and we'll be doing yoga in between there as well. So if you're losing weight too quickly from that, then the beauty of this is that we just review the numbers, we reflect, and we can up those calories. Or say vice versa, the results are too slow for you, then we can reflect, maybe reduce the calories or increase the amounts that we're burning. Okay, so get started now. This will set up our account. Cool. So this will bring you to the dashboard, guys, with your daily summary, and it'll give you a countdown of calories remaining, which is important. So if you're not going to go over that, I really do advise that you plan your meal ahead, okay, and pop it in here before you've eaten it, just to see whether or not that takes you over the calorie limit, because you don't want to consume a big meal and then realize that you've gone way over your limit. Do upload a photo as well. Make sure that we can see your face. It's nice to have a profile photo on things. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, we are mostly going to be using this for our calorie intake. So we're going to click on add food. Now, we're going to be intermittently fasting throughout this challenge, so we don't need to look at breakfasts. What we're going to be mainly looking at is lunch and dinner, and then possibly snacks if you're hungry within your eating window. So here's what I like to do. I think my calorie limit was like just under 1,600. So what I would have a plan on doing is getting around 800 calories in per meal. And when you say it like that, that's where the intermittent fasting is really, really powerful. Yes, there are brilliant health benefits from intermittent fasting, but for weight loss wise, it's just a great tool because you can still have a lovely big lunch, a lovely big dinner without the guilt of feeling like you're overeating because you've saved on calories by skipping that breakfast. Okay, or vice versa. Say in that eating window that you do want to snack in between, then just reduce what you're going to have for lunch, reduce what you're going to have for dinner, just to account for those snacks in between. And it just takes time. This isn't going to be like perfect straight away. It takes a little bit of time to get used to it. Find out what foods you enjoy eating, find out what foods keep you fuller for longer, and how you can stick to those eating windows which allow you to then stick to these calorie limits. Okay, like I say, you're going to get a good breakdown of your macronutrients as well. However, like, we're not having a fight against carbs here. There's no fight against fat. There's no fight against sugars here. That is just complicating things. We can move down that line later on. When you're hitting your weight loss goals, we can start looking at being healthier by reducing sugar and things like that. Okay. Also, a great tool here is to total up how many cups of water you're having. So keep adding those cups in as you drink them. Just getting in the habit of drinking regularly. 1 glass an hour every time you're awake is a fantastic habit to get into. Staying hydrated not only is going to keep you fuller for longer, it's going to stop cravings, but it's also going to improve loads of things like your skin, your energy levels, everything. Don't underestimate being hydrated. Okay, so have a little play around with here, finding out when you do want to add food. Say I've just about to have some lunch. This is a lot better on the app, on the phone app, because you have a barcode scanner. You can scan your foods straight off the back of the packet. But say you're doing it on your desktop, or your foods aren't coming in a packet, you can add in the ingredients here. So for example, carrots. You just weigh up your carrots, add them in. So yeah, weigh them up, weigh up your foods. Always overestimate, okay? Because if you're underestimating, then you're likely to be going over your calorie limit. So always overestimate. You're more likely to get better results if you're overestimating. And you can add that to your food diary, and that's going to come up with a breakdown of what's in there. So how many calories I've added in, all the other macronutrients as well, which is important. And you can start building your lunch up. Now, I know a lot of you will be looking at this thinking, that is a lot of work, Ross. I'm not going to be able to do that. But right now, your capacity as you are at the moment, no, you are going to find that tough. That is going to feel like it's taking up a lot of your time, okay? But soon you start getting into the habits and you start getting into your groove. We need to be tracking. It's as simple as that. One of the reasons that you would have failed in the past is because you haven't been tracking your data. And when there's no data, you've got nothing to reflect on. When you've got nothing to reflect on, you don't even know what direction you're going in. So it's very, very important that we are keeping on top of this. What's going to really help you out when you start getting used to this and you're eating meals like similar meals each day, you can start adding them into your foods. So you can look through here and then you can quickly add your food. So when you've been eating them regularly, you just click on them, add them in, click on them, add them in. So that's faster than looking through the whole database. You can also look for your meals. So when you've got meals that you like and you're abiding by those same recipes, you can easily just upload them. So if you have like a similar lunch every Monday, for example, you take a similar lunch to work, or you're eating a similar lunch, you don't have to keep adding in individual ingredients. Add them to your meals and then you can quickly slot them in there. You've also got recipes here. And add, so you can enter your recipes into Myfitnesspal, making it very, very easy, making it slick, making it simple. Okay, now that is going to total up. So get used to this app, get used to Myfitnesspal, because you're going to be using it a lot throughout this challenge, and make sure you're getting good at it. If there's any questions you've got there, do just get back to me. Okay, the task for this video is to run through all of that and then write down below what your calorie limit is, what Myfitnesspal has given you as your calorie limit. I can then add that onto my spreadsheet so I can help track with you. We're going to link this now with our Trainerize app. And when we can link it with our Trainerize app, I get direct feedback. Okay, so you don't have to be sending this to me individually. We can actually just send this straight away. Now, I'm going to show you on my phone just really quickly. I know you can't see it much, but on the app, the way you're going to add this into Trainerize is you're going to go onto the dashboard at the bottom, click on More. Okay, that'll bring you up with this kind of screen. And then we're going to go to Connect Apps and Devices. That gives you a link here. So if you've got a Fitbit, link it to Facebook, link it to everything you can. There's an option there to link it to Myfitnesspal. And you just click on the Connect button there. And then that is going to link the two apps together. So when it's linked those two apps together on your dashboard, on your Trainerize app, what that's going to do is that's going to automatically bring your data across and import it into your Trainerize app, which is important to me because that will make you accountable to me. I can see whether or not you're sticking to this calorie limit. Now, please be accurate with this, okay? If you're skipping days or you're skipping meals, or even worse, you're lying and you're not adding in that handful of crisps or that chocolate that you just picked up quickly, if you're not adding that data in, we're not going to be able to reflect properly on your data, which means it's going to affect our results down the future. So please be honest, whether or not you're eating naughty foods or not, that is not what this is about, okay? If you are going over your calorie limit, put it in, because then we can reflect on things and we can find out why the results aren't going as fast as possible, okay? Or if we need to change your calorie limit, okay? We can't find that out if you're lying or cheating this system. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wrap this up. make sure you get the Myfitnesspal. Comment below with your calorie limits. I do want to see those so I can update my spreadsheet, so you can be accountable to me and I can see how we're going as we progress through this program. So thanks very much for watching this video, guys. If you've got any other questions, please do comment below as well, and I'll be happy to answer those for you. You have a good one.